Alright, what's up everybody? So back in the shed, and this time I'm going to be making some drink coasters and some sort of little bowl thingy to hold them. So the rough idea is that I want to basically just cut some sort of like slices or rounds out of something that already has a natural edge and looks pretty cool, and then I can just basically sand them up and yeah, we're gonna sort of wing it. The bowl, I'm not really sure what I'm doing. Probably just gonna roughly carve something with the Arbortex, so it's not gonna be like perfectly round, but I think it's gonna look pretty cool. And yeah, let's get into it. So all done. I think it turned out pretty sweet. All the wood was camphor. I would have loved to have gotten some of that epic awesome grain that I got for the coasters in a bigger piece, but it was just what I had in my shed, and so yeah, it just so that it would have matched a little bit more, but I think it still looks pretty cool. And so this is going to be part of the Aussie Maker secret sander exchangey thingy doodad. That's the technical term. And yeah, so I'm going to be sending this, probably have already sent it when you watch this video, and so it's going to be going to somebody, and somebody else is going to be sending me something, which is going to be pretty awesome. I'll probably throw up some video of that when it happens, probably on Instagram, something like that. But yeah, that's it. Pretty quick, pretty fun, and yeah, I like how it turned out. So if you want to go check out any of my other stuff, there should be a link up here, or Instagram, or anything you want. That'd be sweet. Till the next one. Peace.